Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today I'm going to quickly be showing you why you should buy the Sanus mount for your Sonos Arc and your Sonos Beam. I'm going to give you two examples, show you the advantages, disadvantages, and we'll go from there. Now, usually I'd show you how to assemble it, but these things are pretty easy. Basically, it comes with two arms. You slip them in. They have a little tongue on them. They only slip in one way, and you put two screws in on each side. Those are the parts that are going to attach to your TV. Then you put this bracket onto here with the provided screws. Both mounts assemble the same way. As you can see, this is exactly how it goes. Slips in, two screws in each side, and the instructions are very, very clear. Now, the spacing part. There's these two big spacers that you would usually put up top, and then the actual mount is the bottom part. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean. Now, we'll see if my camera will adapt to the darkness. It did. So, as you can see, it does stick out from the back of the TV. That's the back of your TV, so that's something you need to consider. But you know what? It totally makes up for it. So, see this? It's actually a zap strap. So when you lift this up, it zaps up to the TV. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to drop it so you can see exactly what I mean. So when you first mount it up, see, this wouldn't look very good, right? You'd be like, oh man, but check this out. Locks in like that, and this tucks in. I still haven't plugged this in, but let's pack up and show you how good this thing looks. Brings it right up like that. All right, I'm going to show you the Sonos Arc one now. This is the Sonos Arc one. Works just like that Beam one, zap strap straight up. But what's cool with this one is it allows you to actually pull the soundbar away from the mount if you needed more angle or to be able to do connections. And then you can suck it back up. Again, it needs to be spaced out just like the other one, but it goes up nice and tight. And like I said, what's cool about the accordion piece is since it is an Atmos soundbar, you might want to be able to pull it a little bit forward so it's not ricocheting off the bottom of the TV. And it does allow you to do that, just like that. Or you can sink it back and make it look flush and designer-like. This is why I recommend this wall mount. So if you're buying your Sonos, make sure you buy the Sanus mounts, not the Sonos wall mounts. That's all there is to this. Thanks again.